In this short video for homeowners, the Queensland Building and Construction Commission outlines the general requirements for maintaining a single mains pressure storage water heater. For further information regarding the maintenance of your hot water heater, please refer to the manufacturer's user guide or contact the manufacturer. All hot water heater manufacturers provide an installation and user guide with every water heater. This guide gives you direction on how to maintain your storage water heater system. Most manufacturers recommend that minor maintenance be performed every 6 months. You can do this yourself. Operate the easing lever on the temperature pressure relief valve. It is very important you raise and lower the lever gently and take care to avoid splashing because the water discharge from the drain line will be hot. Stand clear of the drain line's point of discharge when operating the valve lever. Operate the easing lever on the expansion control valve if you have one fitted. Again, make sure you raise and lower the lever gently. Most manufacturers recommend that their water heaters have a major service every 5 or 6 years. This work must only be carried out by a licensed plumber or electrician. A major service should include inspecting and flushing the expansion control valve if you have one fitted, inspecting the anode, checking the electric heating unit for excessive calcium buildup or corrosion. These parts may be replaced if they are worn. Replacing the temperature pressure relief valve, visually checking the unit for any potential problems, inspecting all connections, checking that the drain line from the safe tray is not blocked. The water heater may need to be drained during this service and will take a little while to reheat the water afterwards. This is the general guide. You should refer to your individual installation and user guide for more information on how to maintain your mains pressure storage water heater.